Guys, if you see that, don't blink and see the red button in the things. And if you don't to look the things, and if I count to 1 to 20, look any things. There's going to weird, and I'm going to read your mind, and you're going to see all things if you see some weird, okay? I'm going to count. 1, 2, I wait. Can you subscribe and like? Thank you. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Guys, did you see some things? Look, and any things you have in your house. Look now, please subscribe. Thank you, and comment if you see it.